Hello everyone and welcome back to another quick unboxing. It's Rowan here and today we're looking at the MC-450 or 450 from Mackie, and today we are looking more at their mixing range of headphones.
Thanks for checking out Radio.co on YouTube. If you want to see more kit reviews, live webinars and handy broadcasting tips, then give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe and click the bell icon. Yeah, we've already taken a look at the MC-60BT, which is more for everyday use. So if you want to check that out, there'll be a link up here somewhere. But yeah, today we're going to be checking these out, and we're not going to do a review just yet. That'll come in the next few weeks after we've done a bit of testing with them. But for now, we're just going to see what you get inside the box. So let's take this bit of plastic off first. Come on, Mackie, let's save the turtles. What's this about? We don't need that. Get rid of it. So on the back, we have a list of features like always. We've got studio sound anywhere, reference quality 42mm transducers, and an open back design offer an immersive listening experience that transports you into the studio no matter where you are. That's beautiful. One of the key things to know here, these are open back. If that's not what you're looking for, immediately, these are not going to be for you. In terms of features, like I say, reference quality 42mm transducers with an open back design, ultra soft adjustable headband and memory foam. So yeah, these look very comfortable. I'm excited to try them out. Supposedly excellent acoustic performance, and you can take them anywhere. They fold up very nicely. You get a 1/8 to 1/4 gold-plated adapter, which is very nice for them to include that. Studio quality bayonet locking cables, coiled cable, and a straight cable with control and mic. So if you wanted to use these for everyday use, you could do that as well, which is nice. That's sort of it for the box. Just a bit more branding around. So yeah, let's dive in and see how it looks. Oh. I'm not very good at this. There we go. We're in. This should be nice. I think this is going to be a satisfying one. Ready? They ruined it with a manual on top. Why would they do that? Why would you do this? So yeah, you get a manual. We don't need that until we do. And whoa, that's a big case. Blimey. Look at that. That's a nice case. That is going to protect them no matter what. And that's it. So everything must be inside here. Even the little case. Interesting. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see what's inside.
Hey you! Yes you! Did you know you can start your very own radio station right now for free? Yes, for free! And that's a great price. Simply click the link in the corner to start your 7-day free trial today.
So, okay, wow, the little case is actually in the middle of the headphones, which is pretty cool. And again, pretty solid. That's going to protect your cables, lovely. I mean, I've got to be honest. Wow, okay, that's not as well presented as I was expecting. If they were in this, I'd be fairly certain that these were protected. And they're wires, like, I'm not that arsed, but who knows. Anyway, it's nice for them to include it. So, yeah, like you say, there's 3 different sets of cables here. This is the one you're going to obviously want to be using for your phone and the like. TRS cable, or is it TRS. I always get confused with these. So yeah, that's nice to include that. And the microphone is obviously, it's a bit like those old Apple headphones. The microphone's in this little square bit with the volume controls there. And then we have the 2 other cables, which I will test out properly in the review. But they both seem fairly... This one doesn't seem as long. This one seems quite long. So test them out in the review. But yeah, nice that they include all of them for everyone's different style of listening. And there's that adapter as well. So that's the wires out of the way. Get rid of that. You get loads of space at the top of the case to put those wires in. So yeah, bit of an unnecessary ad in my opinion, but there we go. Anyway, so here's the headphones themselves. Now, the thing with these sort of headphones I always find, especially with this kind of leather, don't you think they look old? Is this just me? Don't you think this looks used? I don't know. That might just be me, but wow, immediately that feels great. That memory foam padding feels super comfy. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's take a look. They feel a bit clunky. You hear that? It's not really what you want to be hearing when you first take them out, but anyway, there we go. We've got the, obviously, sliders here to adjust the length. Feels pretty sturdy, aside from that sort of clattering, which isn't great. I mean, it's plastic, you can tell immediately, but that feels kind of, that's not going to break. Not easily, anyway. The padding on top is quite thin. I can see that perhaps getting a bit tiresome over time. After a couple of hours, you're probably going to want to take these off for a breather. But the actual ear cups themselves feel great. I don't think they're going to do you any harm. Obviously, we've got the open back design on the back and the logo in the center. Two massive logos. You definitely know who made these. You've got your aux port on the side, on the bottom, I should say. That is it. That's all you're getting. Overall, they look really nice. They look great. You're getting that green branding that Mackie really seems to like on the headphones at the moment. And you're getting your right, oh, you can't see that, right and left there. So just in case you get a bit confused, which I often do. And obviously it says MC-450 on the side there. I feel like I've rushed through that, but there isn't really much else to add. They look great. Let me just do a quick test. It's quite tight, but I feel like, you know, that's kind of what you want for this sort of style of headphone. Blocks out a fair bit of sound as well, which is nice. They're not noise cancelling, don't get me wrong. You can still hear, but not bad. So yeah, we'll do a full-on review of these over the next coming weeks, and we'll test them out, mixing, editing, everything you could possibly do with these, and we'll get back to you on how they sound. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit subscribe, click the like button, so you see our review when it comes out, and let me know what you think of this case. Is it too big? Do they need this? I quite like it, but I mean, yeah, I mean, you'd struggle to get that in your airport hand luggage, I suppose. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy broadcasting.
And just before you go, have you ever thought about launching your very own internet radio station? Surprisingly, it's a lot easier than you may think, especially when you make the time to chat to myself or a member of the Radio.co team. To do just that, head to our website, Radio.co/demo, where I can talk about your plans, any questions you may have, and me and the team can really get you up to speed in launching your own internet radio station in literally minutes. It couldn't be easier. Why not check out some of our webinars, tutorials, help guides situated around me? Or why not visit our website, Radio.co, or even drop me an email, studio@radio.co. Until next time, take care and happy broadcasting.